Kapia, Samoa, in a village called Tanumapua, me and my twin. I'm one of 6 kids, but the youngest of 5 brothers.
Sa eta ilo lima iala ole tusipa ia ina uo matua na unili watu lipia ewi lava ina ele fia fia aisa ele tu ula fo ia olo walofa wala ile ni manui.
I guess probably one time in the next, I say 2 years, I'd love to go and live in Savati for 6 months to, I don't know, get in touch with my culture again. I've been raised in New Zealand my whole life, and I feel like I've lost my culture a little bit, which is why I want to go and find it a little bit more. Oh, my son was rubbish. The best way to cheat your way through it is you got to have that one Samoan guy who knows all the Samoan. So you go this, Marozale, Ili, and then they carry it on for you. That's the best way of doing it.
And I'm not going to be much use to him if I'm not happy. And I'm only happy if I have my independence. That much I do know.
That's why I'm lucky I'm an actor, because you can just say, cut, start again. When I first started off in the industry, I got into the industry quite young, and there weren't many Pacific Island actors of my age that were acting. So I guess because I started picking up roles, you start to think you're the man because, you know, there's no one else who can compare to you. So I got really cocky when I was young. So when I decided to leave Shortland Street the first time, I didn't realize how hard it was going to be. And instantly, within 2-3 weeks, you're forgotten. And then I forgot that I had no qualifications and nothing. So I went back to labouring and doing all that sort of stuff. And then I just fell into a massive hole. I was lucky enough that my partner at that time kind of picked me up out of that hole, told me to do something that I enjoy. So I went into training, got into personal training, left the industry for a while and did something different, which is good because it made me appreciate the small things that I have. It made me appreciate the little bits of money that I have. And it made me work harder.
I'm sure I sounded Mexican.
No, you sounded like a New Zealander putting on an American accent.
No, you can't be going out like that.
Hey, thanks for the head start. Coffee?
Sure.
portray myself to be genuine and honest and humble. I can be arrogant, but it's only because everybody needs a little bit of arrogance to get through life, you know, and to get hard work. You know, if you've been too humble and too kind, people stand all over you. You've got to know when to be strong and stand up for yourself. So.
Go, yeah. Gof. Yeah. Makwo. Emoy. You would like? Yeah. Faso ifu mo lo fiongo. Just say soifua. Just say uso soifua. Sorry. Yeah.
No one.
Soifua le usle faso ifu.
Sorry, no one.
Yeah.
Go, yeah.
Soifua mo fa soifua. We are folk. Mo le soifua malanga. Tato inga. Nei.
So to mama le alanga pa ia.
Malanga malaya malia.
Being a dad is rated as the best thing you could ever experience in the whole of your life. I could rate it over love itself. I'm just trying to be a little bit more honest about who I am, you know, because I started to lose my integrity of who Pua is. So I try to keep my stuff real.